case study on choice of sensors and actuators for self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicles are not science fiction anymore. Top automobile industry and technology giants are working towards making self-driven cars commercially available by 2021. In the same way, how IoT is restructuring the industrial organization, self-driven vehicles are restructuring the transport industry, allowing people to travel safely and comfortably. These connected vehicles have the ability to mitigate pollution owing to their real-time traffic information and smart routing. Autonomous motor cars and trucks are uses artificial intelligence and work using sensors, actuators and complex algorithms to sense, process and choose specific actions based on the information gathered. Depending on the degree of driver intervention, the sensors and actuators are integrated with automatic control to help optimize the vehicle's performance. Sensors, cameras, radars and ultrasonic type sensors perform the critical function of sensing the dynamic conditions on the road. Processors handle data received from the vehicle's sensor and direct the actuator to physically perform actions such as changing gears, applying brakes and steerings. The figure shows the automated car, self-driving car. Navigation and guidance. The navigation and guidance define the mission of self-driven vehicles by determining the user's location, choosing the best routes and avoiding delays when on the road. For instance, if the optimum route to a destination has unforeseen obstacles such as slow traffic or road maintenance, the path will be recomputed in real time, enabling the traveler to reach his or her destination on time. The primary subsystem used in navigation and guidance is the Global Positioning System (GPS) receiver that uses cameras, radars and lasers to detect the ever-changing conditions. The camera captures visual data while the radars allow the vehicle to sense the road condition in visually impaired circumstances such as heavy rains, snowfall and fog. The spinning lights above the vehicle are the lasers that continuously scan the surroundings, offering a three-dimensional view of better navigation. These sensors pass the data into complex algorithms using processors, enabling autonomous vehicles to take the necessary actions. For instance, if a traffic signal is seen, the sensor, the processor and the linear actuator will work together using an in-vehicle electronic network controller area network, that is called CAN bus, to apply brakes and switch off the engine until the lights go green. Though the GPS subsystem is crucial to the functioning of the vehicles, a signal is often blocked when they are moving through tunnels, mountains and canyons or radio interference. Consequently, autonomous vehicles use the Inertial Measurement Unit (IMU), which comprises of sensors, namely MEMS-based gyroscopes and accelerometers, to calculate the motion and position of the cars regardless of the signal obstruction. The IMU is a centralized system that monitors the location of the other sensors systems in relation to the vehicle position. Apart from offering guidance to the vehicle, IMU is critical to the safety of the vehicle users. Automated vehicles are also connected to the cloud, which constantly offers updated data based on the collective intelligence of all the vehicles on the road. The figure shows autonomous driving vehicle driving safety. Self-driven vehicles have a 360-degree view of surrounding and can locate other vehicles, obstacles and bystanders on the road, reducing the incidence of accidents. Advanced features such as light assist, lane assist, adaptive cruise control and emergency assist ensure the safety of the vehicle owners and others on the road. An array of cameras and detectors capture multiple images and the processors help make sense of the heavy graphics based on the visibility on the road. The LiDAR, short for light detection and ranging sensor, is used for primary vision, providing accurate 3D graphs of surrounding environment using the scanning mirror present on the top of the vehicle. The data is used by the processor to identify objects, predict the crash and or determine the vehicle's motion vector. In advanced car models, a large number of detectors and timed cameras are used to increase the resolution of 3D data, reducing the risk of collisions. The radar present on the front and rear bumpers of self-driven vehicles are useful in automated parking lots and bumper-to-bumper traffic. The IMU is critical in calculating sudden changes in the vehicle's trajectory, speed, enabling the system to predict the risk factors that could lead to mishaps. Car performance management. Apart from the navigation and the safety of the users, firms involved in designing and manufacturing automated vehicles are spending a considerable amount of time and energy to make self-driven vehicles and fuel efficient. Numerous sensors and actuators, application-specific circuit boards and subsystems are installed in self-driven vehicles to manage system local operations, power consumption, fuel efficiency and thermal dissipation. Regular monitoring of voltage in the vehicle battery is crucial for the safety of the users and the functionality of the vehicle. Autonomous vehicles use milliohm meters or shunt along with the differential amplifier to effectively measure the voltage drop in the batteries. Moreover, actuator, step motor and solenoid valves in the electronic fuel injection system help improve the fuel efficiency and reduce the emissions. The world of transportation is undergoing a revolutionary change with introduction of self-driven vehicles. Autonomous motor vehicles heavily depend on sensors, actuator and processor to make crucial decisions on the road, ensuring the safety and comfort of their users. The aforementioned points will help to appreciate the role that sensors and actuator play in smooth functioning of self-driving vehicles.